The High Court has ordered petitioner to make Sukur Panchayat and the town and country planning parties in Cerula Comunidad illegal land grab case. The petitioner, while arguing on Wednesday, contended that shops constructed on Cerula Comunidad's land have been constructed and occupied without proper licenses. The shop occupants include Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar and his brother. During the hearing before the High Court on Wednesday, petitioner contended that construction license to construct shops on the survey number 3791 was issued on the name of Cerula Comunidad, but the shops were constructed by Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar and his brother, who are the beneficiaries. The petitioner further contended that, ignoring the law, all the shops have been occupied by the respondents without obtaining proper occupancy certificates from concerned panchayat and town and country planning. The High Court, after hearing, ordered the petitioner to make Sukur Panchayat and town and country planning as parties to this case.
The Panchayat of Sukur and the town and country planning and NGTPA should be made parties. To see how those licenses have come up, whether the occupancy has been issued, and without occupancy, today it has been placed before the court that they are occupying the project. And the Town and Country Act and the building rules are very clear that without occupancy, nobody can occupy.
On the other side, pleading to dismiss the petition, respondent shop occupants contended that this public interest litigation has been filed due to political reason. Respondents also contended that the shops are allotted to them under rehabilitation program and the due process is going on since 2002. The High Court has adjourned the hearing for 2 weeks. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. GenNext has slammed government for its policy of projects in the eco-sensitive areas. The whistleblower group claims that eco-tourism policy and eco-tourism projects are two different subjects. Government's interference with the eco-sensitive areas would destroy the ecology. GenNext President Durgadas Kamath questioned government on temporary structures built in eco-sensitive areas, claiming eco-sensitive project a game plan of the government.
आता सरकार म्हणता की आम्ही फक्त टेम्पररी स्ट्रक्चर अलाव करून दितले टुरिझमाक इको टुरिझम स्ट्रक्चर्स म्हणतात ते. आता जर टेम्पररी स्ट्रक्चर जर तुम्ही करपाक दितात तर हाजो सिवरेज खंय वतलो, हाजो गार्बेज खंय वतलो आणि किती गॅरंटी असतली टेम्पररी जाला म्हणल्या नंतर तुम्ही म्हणटले ते इलिगल स्ट्रक्चर आणि मागीर रेग्युलरायज करपाक पळयतले. सो हे सगळे जे हा a systematic game plan जाऊन आसा.
Generation Next will start an online signature campaign against government's decision of ordinance on allowing projects in eco-sensitive areas.
We will start an online signature campaign against this move of eco-sensitive tourism projects which government is trying to bring in through ordinance now. कारण गोंय जर आमी आमच्या फुडल्या पिळगेक दवरतले जाल्यार आतांच झगडपाची गरज आसा.
Tukaram Marathe for Prudent.
Panchayat and local governing body is least bothered about the heaps of garbage and dirt accumulation at Upasnagar in Sankwal. Garbage is not lifted for months. Locals complain that the area has been infested with malaria, stink and heaps of garbage. Sankwal Panchayat is least bothered about the health concerns of Upasnagar.
हांगा अशें प्रॉब्लेम आहा आजकाल ते मलेरियाचे तेजे प्रॉब्लेम चड जाला आणि हे 6 महिने जाले सुद्दां कचरो काडिना आणि हे भुरग्यांक त्रास आसा. तेन्ना हे हावसिंग बोर्ड न्हू उपासनगरचे सुद्दां अशेंच कचरो पडलेलो तेन्ना आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक रिक्वेस्ट करता की हे 8 दिसान ते एटलिस्ट काडपाचे.
एक्चुअली आता ही जी इतली व्हडली एरिया आसा सगळे जाण हाडून हांगा जे गार्बेज डंप करता पण हे लिफ्ट करपाक म्हयन्यान एकदा नाल्यार अशें 2 म्हयन्यान एकदा बीन अशें लिफ्ट करपाक येता. कितले फावटी हांगासले लोकलान बीन अशें लेटर सुद्दां पंचायतीन केल्या पण अजून मेरेन कांय रिस्पॉन्स ना. सायडीनूच गार्डन आसा त्या गार्डनान भुरगे खेळपाक बी येता आनी ह्या दिसांनी डेंगू बीन सगळें कितें कितें चालू जाला त्या खातीर आमी आमच्या भुरग्यांक गार्डनान सुद्दां व्हरना कितें साफ सफाई ना आनी आतां स्वच्छता अभियान बी चालू आहा पूण कांय हांगा लक्ष कोणाचोच कांय ना. ह्या गार्बेजाक लागून आतां किमसा बीन जावपाक शकता आनी हे भुरग्यांक आमच्या सगळ्यांक अफेक्ट जावपाक शकता. हे किमसा हे कचऱ्याक लागून आमी आमच्या सोयऱ्यांक पसून कोणाक हांगा आपोवपाक लज दिसता आनी सायडीनूच आमी पळयलें जाल्यार हांगासर गार्डन आसा आनी हे गार्डनान भुरगीं खेळटलीं जाल्यार तांकां हांगा एक घाणी वाडटा आनी गायो बियो सगळे केन्नाय पळय रस्त्यार आसता.
येता वता आसतना सदांच हांगासर त्रास जाता. घाणी खातीर आमकां हांगासरल्यान चलून वता आसतना भरपूर त्रास जाता. भुरगे धाकटे धाकटे भुरग्यांक घेवन वता आसतना इतल्यो घाणी पडटा सांजच्या टायमार बी आनी
आनी पावसान तर हांगा सामकेच मूस आनी हांगा किमसां एक सायडीक गार्डन आहा इतले बरें करून दवरला गार्डन पण तेतून भुरग्यांक आमकां खेळपाक वचपाक सुद्दां आमकां भरपूर त्रास जाता.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.